Yo, what's up, everyone? Yeah, welcome back into my YouTube channel. So, in today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you how I will be making money trading forex actually. So, before I start, make sure you like the video and subscribe if you are new. So, on the screen, guys, we're having a silver versus dollar. So, on a silver versus dollar, guys, we can clearly see that we've been in an uptrend from this point to the upside. We've been in an uptrend. Right now, we're anticipating the market to reverse to the downwards up until this 90% rule. Actually, from the current price right now up until this area, guys, there's money to be made around this level. So, but for this one, guys, I'm just gonna go straight into 1 hour time frame and see what is happening in this continuation pattern. Remember, guys, after every impulse, there's continuation, then we're anticipating the next impulse there. So I'm just gonna dive deeply inside this continuation pattern and see what is happening actually. So inside this continuation pattern, guys, or should I open on 30 minutes? Yeah, on 30 minutes, guys, everyone, it's clear. I think everyone can see what is happening, guys. Yeah. So the market change character here, of which we had two other blocks. The first one meaning it was this one, of which I don't recommend because of this liquidity that is here, guys. There's some form of a trend line liquidity here. That's why I don't recommend that type of an order block. So this one is a minus for now. We're not gonna take it as an order block. Then we're having another order block of which is here, guys. Sorry for that. So what I'm anticipating, guys, here is to sell the market soon as the market mitigates this order block. Why am I gonna sell the market right here, guys? This order block, it is not yet mitigated, and then we're having a liquidity of which is built below this order block, and we change the character. So right now we can see that the market is gonna go to the downwards, or it is what we anticipate that the market is gonna go to the downwards. So the type of entry that we're gonna catch right here, guys, we're gonna catch some form of a, I think it's a mixture of Falcon and SMC entry, the way I see. So I think we're gonna be having something like a continuation pattern like this. This is the type of entry I'm expecting, because we had an impulse. Right now I'm seeing some form of a continuation, then we're going to the downward. So it's gonna be a falcon it's gonna be a falcon entry, that one. But that one of coming to mitigate the order block, guys, it's gonna be an SMC entry. So we just have to be looking at this one, guys. We don't want what happened actually last week, guys, since we missed a lot of trades, guys. I don't want to miss this one this week, guys. Yeah, so it's just going to be straightforward with this one, guys. I hope each and everyone who's watching this video, guys, is going to be able to eat on silver right now or this week. So with euro AUD, wow, we are heading to the downwards. The reason why I'm saying we're heading to the downwards, guys, the market broke this trend line or this channel in a positive way, or in an impulsive way. We had an impulse correction, now we had a huge impulse. So, but one thing I realized that I missed, there's a there's some form of a continuation pattern here. The first continuation pattern after the breakout of that channel. So this continuation pattern, guys, is the one that has high probability of respecting our strategy. But then we couldn't catch this continuation pattern, guys. But then we are not worried, because of it's possible that the market might still make, or it's possible that the market might form some larger correction around this area. So we just have to be patient enough and see what's gonna happen. But then I mean, if maybe the market, or sorry, let me, before I do that, let me show you what really happened here, guys. We couldn't catch this entry, guys, here, actually, on the breakout of this level right here. Couldn't catch the entry. But then remember, the target, it was to the downwards. Now I just want to show you if I caught this entry. This is where I was gonna lock my profit, guys. I was gonna my log profit up until this area here. Why am I gonna log this? Why am I gonna log this profit right here, guys? It is because of the market. It's possible that it might form some form of a larger correction around here. It was gonna be a larger correction, a larger first continuation after the market broke out our channel actually. So this is what we need to anticipate in the next move on this one, since we couldn't catch that early entry on that smaller continuation pattern. So should the market come and give us some form of a larger correction, so we're gonna take this one to the downwards, guys. Type of entry I'm gonna take a reduced risk entry, guys. I hope this one is not gonna be a very large correctional pattern, guys. Yeah, so should the market give me something like that, guys, I'm gonna take this one to the downwards. Yeah, guys, we're gonna hold this one. I don't know it's gonna take for how long, but it's a ratio of 1:12. You see that you can make a lot of money out of this one position right here, guys. Yeah, so it was straightforward, this one, guys. Yeah, the next page is gonna be USD JPY. So with USD JPY, guys, this is one of the pair that I was discussing with one of my students, guys, actually. So we realized a lot of things on this pair right now. So on the 4 hour time frame, guys, we already changed the character. We're anticipating the market to push to the downwards, of which it makes a lot of sense, guys, since we're on a third touch. Actually, this was our first touch, second touch, and the third touch, guys, has high probability of respecting our predicted direction of to the downwards. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, remember that we're even two order blocks, of which the first one it is not yet been mitigated. So it's possible that the market might continue pushing to the upside to mitigate this order block. So two scenarios on this one, guys. Let me zoom actually. Let me open 1 hour. So on 1 hour right here, guys. I already saw that the market changed character, but then the market is kind of slow right now, guys. I don't know whether we should be waiting with this one, or we should be uh, already taking those sell positions. But with this one, guys, I'm just gonna be patient. I think there's nothing much that tells me to sell this market, guys. It's still possible that the market might give us a continuation pattern and push to the upside. Let me just open 4 hour time frame. It's possible that the market might draw something like this and continue pushing to the upside, or if maybe we're not getting something like that. Sorry for that. Let me go back to, let me delete this thing first. Or if maybe we're not getting something like that, it is still possible that the market might shoot to the downwards correctively before it shoots to the upside. Or if we're not receiving something like this, guys, still gonna be possible that the market might shoot to the downwards and continue pushing to the downwards like this, guys, in a form of or in a series of impulse and correction to the downwards. So with this one, guys, I'm not sure what to do with this one. I'm just gonna be patient enough, guys. Today's still Monday. I think around Wednesday, guys, this part will already commit in which direction that is gonna head on. So the next page is gonna be CHF JPY. On CHFJPY, guys, this is the pair that I had from last week actually. For those who watched our last week video, guys, I think you saw this one. We had this one, guys. You all saw this one. So last week, guys, the order block that we anticipated. Sorry for that. I think it was this order block here. We expected the market to push to the downwards from here, but then that didn't happen, guys, of which is possible. But then I didn't open this position actually, but for those who opened this position, I'm sure that they locked some profits before they got taken out here, right here. So with this pair, I don't anticipate much because the market's already breaking my channel actually in an impulsive manner. Look at the way the market came here, guys. With this move, guys, you can see that it was impulsive, this movement. So for me, I'm gonna open a sell position right here, guys. My stop loss gonna be above this high. Gonna open a sell position there. My first target of which is gonna be this one, of which is not It's not okay according to the risk management. I cannot risk one to get one, guys. So meaning my first target is not gonna be this one. But my entry, I'm gonna take that A entry, guys. I will be looking some profits there. So I should be taking this one. Sorry for that. So if I manage to get an entry there, guys, I should be taking this one to this area here. So this one is gonna be a ratio of 1:4, guys. I think this trade is enough for me to open actually. So we also have some form of a head and shoulder pattern right there, guys. This is a head and shoulder pattern, of which is not nice. That not always that you will get a nice head and shoulder pattern. So it makes sense for me to take my target in this area because of the start of this head and shoulder pattern. So at the start of a head and shoulder pattern, the market must complete that move on the other on the right shoulder actually. So it's okay for me to take my profit there. So this one, guys, I'm opening in position right now, guys. It's just gonna be straightforward, guys. Yeah. So guys, in these videos, guys, I just showed you how I will be making money this week, guys. If you can follow this video, guys, and just draw this analysis on your trading view, guys, you can make money with me, guys. And then make sure if it happens that you make money with me here, share your result with us, guys. You can find me on WhatsApp, of which my number is gonna be on the description of the video, or you can DM me on our Instagram on our Instagram page actually, guys. Yeah. So that's it for the week with my market breakdown, guys. So for those who are new in my channel, please subscribe, and then for those who have been here, guys, make sure that you like the video as it helps us with the algorithm, guys. Yeah. So share the video with your friends, and for those who are looking for a mentorship, guys, please don't hesitate to contact me, guys. My number is going to be on the description of the video, guys. I'm going to see you in the next video, guys. Cheers.